Got boys in Alaska, drinking Vanna, Panda. Got an X650.
Fancy.
Good morning.
Morning.
So Daddy is emptying the black tank, which is all of our stuff from the toilet. You don't need that crutch. Well, it cleans out well. You can flush it well.
Just do it like this. I need that bridge.
I'm gonna get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll get up. Bridge.
That's a bridge to put, like, prop up the hose so that it like flows better. It's the kind of stuff we're gonna think about, babe, if we buy an RV.
Nice.
But so far I'm loving it. Wondering where the drain was. Oh. Oh. That's so gross.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready for it?
I'm ready.
1,
Ew, am I gonna see it go through? Ew.
2, 1, 2, 3.
Ew. Oh my god, that's so gross. Oh my god.
Here we go.
That's so gross. It's actually not as like potent or as I thought. Ugh. We didn't have that much, huh? Oh, there it goes.
Ready for the gray.
That wasn't as much as I thought.
Flush it like this. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Oh, and that flushes it all out. That's cool.
Then I take this and I run it in there.
You become quite an expert at this.
Maybe I'll quit my day job.
No, thank you.
Man, someone took a shower last night.
I did.
That was you. Oh my goodness.
That's the gray?
Yeah.
Now, do you flush it also after that or no? Because the gray's not that bad. Oh my god. Oh, you know how to do this pretty good.
It's frozen.
It's frozen? Oh no. Good morning, campers.
Morning.
Today's Wednesday.
You forgot one.
Monday, Tuesday.
I'm having Oreo crunches, M&M crunches, and
We're having vacation food.
the Oreos. Those are M&Ms.
Oreo, yogurt.
Ooh, look at it.
Yummy, guys. You guys are so lucky to have cookies
Mom has
and candy in your yogurt.
Mommy, you forgot. We're almost going to be leaving to Las Vegas, but we have one more trip.
Yes, we have a couple more adventures Daddy and I have planned.
Is our surprise. Mommy and Daddy are full of surprises, so this is what surprise day. We had a lot of surprises.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of surprises today and a lot of surprises tomorrow.
Dad told me it.
What? Daddy, you leaked it? You leaked the surprise?
Oh, you don't.
Polly?
I don't even know it now.
Dirty.
I always bet.
Okay, finish your yogurts and we're gonna move on.
I bet it's got a playground.
Playgrounds are closed, babe. Do you remember why the playgrounds are closed?
Coronavirus.
COVID-19.
Yep,
I don't like COVID-19. I wish it never existed.
I know. It's a beautiful day in the RV neighborhood. Ew, Daddy.
Hello? 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 Is anyone here? It was in my
Daddy's silly. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's teach our kids that. Great.
I can do it every day.
How are you doing? With your buddy over there.
Mommy, check in. Mom, check in.
Goodbye, beautiful campsite. We will see you again. We definitely need to come back here. This place is chill. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Ace Boogie.
Here we go, guys.
Onward to the next adventure. Oop.
Should I just try to pull in and fill it up real quick?
Yeah, just pull up and then pull out. Doesn't have to be perfect parking. We gotta fill up the water tank real quick so we can like flush the toilet and wash our hands and stuff like that while we're on the road.
babe? Sorry.
Yeah. Tell Daddy two. Two. Daddy's spilling the water and we're telling him how much. See, 2, almost 3, but just still 2.
Almost 3, Daddy, 2. Almost 3.
Filling up our tank so we can flush the toilet and use the sink when we're on the road, when we're not plugged in. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, the kiddos.
See, the kids are learning how to take care of our RV because maybe we can get one later.
Yay!
Maybe.
How much days do we have?
It's Mommy and Daddy's dream to
How
have
many
one
more
of these.
days?
Oh, we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have like 4 more days of our adventure.
Aww.
I know.
I wish we stayed 2 weeks. Then we have like 14 days.
2.
2. Oh, he said. Is it 2?
2.
Yeah. 2.
Almost 3.
Daddy's just sleepy.
I know, he's sleepy. He's tired. He's been unloading all of our stuff. About 3.5. We're almost there.
Hey. Let's get back to playing, Okay. Ding dong, ding dong.
4.
Water's coming.
They're all loaded. Lots of water for our trip.
Why do we need
So that we can flush the toilet and we can wash
And
our
we don't
hands
have
and use the sink while we're not plugged in.
And we can drink. We got boys in Alaska. Yeah,
No, we have bottled water to drink.
boys in Alaska.
All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Panda.
Oh my goodness.
Boys in Alaska. Drinking Fanta. Panda.
He's sleepy. Who would have thought that a cat, hi beautiful baby, he's sleeping. He loves the sun. Who would have thought a cat would like camping? But he wakes up every single morning and he perches right here with his food. I feed him right here every morning and he just looks out at the campsite. It is adorable.
Where are we?
Yep, they are loving it.
Where are
They are seriously loving it. He just had lunch, so he's just relaxing right now.
Daddy? Cartoli, come here. You want the kitty cat?
You guys want a snack?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you a snack, okay?
Okay,
We
I
have-
want that popcorn.
We have about 20 more minutes for the cycle.
For lunch, Daddy said he'd make it was Happy Meal.
What? Happy Meals?
Yeah.
Ooh, we better behave, huh? Because Mama wants a spicy chicken sandwich and hot fresh fries.
But the elf leave.
Does anybody
Yeah.
want to play with me?
The
Or
elf
Fruit
left.
Ninja?
Let me see.
I'll play Fruit Ninja.
No, thank you. Really, but
Your daddy.
That's just rude.
Your daddy's shaving.
I guess I'll play this.
So this is how dedicated we are to filming vlogs for you all on this trip. Found a random plug so I can charge my camera battery. And Daddy is shaving on the side of the room.
Camping, but I don't want to be all scruffy.
We are actually at a laundromat right now because we had a little bit of an accident, a pet accident actually, not a kid accident. So we are at a laundromat and we're washing some blankets and the kids are chilling. Are you playing Fruit Ninja with Kaya? And oh, are you okay, my love? And oh, the kids are about. It's hard to move around in here. Can you move your legs, bud? Thank you. So that's what's going on in here. Look, there's so many.
Look at that one.
Hi, baby dear. At one point, all of these
Right side.
were burnt on the right side here. Hey, baby. See that, guys? This was all burnt at one point. This cute little town.
That's all close.
That little restaurant right there had little mini tents with a little fireplace in it and like a little table for you to eat. It's cute, like little mini tents where you eat in. It's cute. Look at that coffee shop. How cute. It's a hostel. It's where they stay all in the same room, right? A pizza factory. What's up, everyone? I am literally hiding in the RV bathroom. We are about 5 minutes out from the kids' big surprise.